Hey Be10x fam, Suraj here. Feeling the heat from the rise of artificial intelligence? Whispers of artificial general intelligence, AGI, are swirling everywhere. And the pressure to stay relevant is on. But before you hit the panic button, let's talk about how humans can not only survive but thrive in this exciting new era. And hey, if you are looking to get a new head start on AI, click the link in the description below to join Be10x exclusive AI tools and ChatGPT workshop.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Imagine a world where AI doesn't just perform tasks but understands your jokes, grasps sarcasm, and adapts to new challenges just like a human. That's the future promised by artificial general intelligence or AGI, a technology that could soon blur the lines between human and machine intelligence. Don't worry, humans have some serious superpowers that AI can't touch. Here are 5 ways to stay ahead of the curve. First up, integrate AI tools into your daily tasks. I use AI applications like GitHub Copilot for coding and Grammarly for writing emails. These tools not only save time but also enhance the quality of my work. There are plenty of free options available like Llama Coder for coding assistance. Embrace these tools to make your work process more efficient and learn their capabilities. Next, focus on specializing in a niche. The value of deep expertise is increasing. Journalists or those with surface-level knowledge in many areas might find it challenging to compete with AI that can perform general tasks. However, becoming an expert in a specific area can give you a significant advantage. This specialization makes you indispensable for complex problem solving where AI may not perform as well. Adaptability is key. What would you do if your job role changes overnight? Prepare for the unexpected by diversifying your income streams. Start a side hustle. It could be anything from writing on Medium to launching a small e-commerce site. This not only secures an additional income but also expands your skills and experiences, making you more versatile and adaptable. With AI rapidly evolving, industries are experiencing shifts and many jobs are being redefined. If you are concerned about AI replacing your job, remember, it's not AI but the person using AI who becomes irreplaceable. Mastering AI tools like GitHub Copilot and Grammarly is just the first step. The Be10x AI Tools workshop dives deeper. In this comprehensive workshop, you will learn how to leverage a wide range of AI tools, explore advanced techniques for different fields, and develop a strategic approach to incorporating AI tools in your workflow. Don't miss out this opportunity to become a true AI ninja. Click the link in the description below to secure your spot in the Be10x AI Tools workshop today. Don't wait years to move from a junior to senior position. Take initiative, lead projects, and show that you can handle greater responsibilities. Companies value employees who demonstrate leadership and advanced skills, which are qualities difficult for AI to replicate. Moving up quickly can secure your position and demonstrate your irreplaceable value to your employer. Lastly, commit to continuous learning. The tech industry evolves rapidly, and staying updated with the latest development is crucial. Whether it's new programming languages, emerging tech trends, or advancements in AI, continuous education will keep you relevant and competitive in the workforce. The rise of AGI doesn't have to be a scary movie plot. Instead, it can be an opportunity for humans and AI to work together and achieve incredible things. By embracing these strategies and staying curious, you can ensure a bright future, no matter what the future of AI holds. If you found today's video helpful, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Be10x for more insightful content. And also, check out our upcoming AI Tools workshop through the link in the description below where we help you amplify your career tenfold. Thanks for watching.